Hey guys, what is up? I just did a recent video on my 2017 Fiesta ST with an over $4,000 car audio system in it. I did a quick rundown of all what I had in the vehicle, and this video is going to be primarily of what it sounds like. I got a decent microphone on my camera. It's a Sony A6000, and I want to run you guys down of how it sounds and what you can expect when spending decent enough money on car audio. So I'll break it down for you. Now for the SPL demo. The car gets down crazy low for what it is. Its boxes, I believe, is tuned at 28 hertz all the way up to 40 hertz. That seems to be a sweet spot for the system. Everything shakes as it should. The car is sound deadened like crazy. So you don't expect a lot of rattles from outside of the car. That's why when I close the door, you guys can notice it gets a lot quieter. Part of this video, I walked about 500 feet away, did a quick walk around the car, and you guys can just listen to how great the car sounds. It's a lot better in person. This video is always going to sound better in person. Anytime these videos are posted on YouTube, they will 100% sound way better in person than in.
My heart is human, my blood is boiling, my brain IBM. So if you see me acting strangely, don't be surprised. I'm just a man who needed someone and someone to hide to keep me alive. To keep me alive. Somewhere to hide to keep me alive. I'm not a robot without emotions. I'm not what you see. I've come to help you with your problems so we can be free. I'm not a hero, I'm not a savior, forget what you know. I'm just a man whose circumstances went beyond his control, beyond my control, beyond my control. I need control. Mr. Roboto, come on, arigato, Mr. Roboto, come on, arigato, Mr. Roboto, come on, arigato, Mr. Roboto, thank you very much, oh, Mr. Roboto, come on, arigato, Mr. Roboto, thank you very much to Mr. Roboto, for helping me get to where I need to, thank you, Mr. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you guys for watching. Suggest any other videos I should do on my channel. Leave a like if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it, or you're jealous. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Where's the off button?